Hey guys, just went on a trip to TESCO here in Northern England, and we bought so many snacks for potential snack blog videos in the future. So I'll show you what we got. Alright, so first up we got some skips. These are Tingly Prawn cocktail snacks. Apparently, prawn cocktail is a very popular flavor in England. Of course, we had to get Monster Munch. I can't wait to try this pickled onion flavor. We also got some Flake, which is like a milk chocolate, weird rolly, chocolatey, I don't know what it is, but we'll try it. Oh, I don't want that one to drop. Of course, some JAFFA cakes. These are synonymous with England, so maybe I'll do a video for that one. Mini cheddars, which I think are gonna be like Cheez-Its, I hope. I'm dying for some fake cheese snacks. Toothpaste. We got some twirls, which are also a milk chocolatey snack. Give twirl a whirl is the motto. We also got curly whirly. I have no idea what this is, so I'll probably do a snack blog about it so you guys can figure it out with me. And we got a ruby Kit Kat for the family to try. And that's about it. Also, couldn't live without my Dr. Pepper. So I hope you'll tune in for the future snack blobs from England.